It's the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. If you want to see what I got this month, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So today we're going to look at the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. Now you can pick this up at £12.95. You get 5 deluxe items to choose from. There is a £3.95 delivery charge, but you can actually get that back. So my 5 items that I decided to pick this month, let's have a look. The first item is by Burberry, and this is a Fresh Glow. The colour is Nude, and it's a 5ml size. So it comes in a little box like this. But I ordered this last month. I still have some left, so I'll show you this one. It's exactly the same item. So basically, if I'm not having a makeup day, I'll moisturise and all the rest of it. I'll pop a little bit this all over my face, and it just gives a nice, warm, healthy glow. I mean, particularly with the lockdown, I don't know about you, but I'm not really sort of putting makeup on very much. In fact, I only actually now put makeup on just to do a couple of YouTube videos. So that was the first thing that I tried. Secondly, this is by Filorga, if I'm saying that right. This is an under eye cream. It is in I think this is 5ml. These are really handy. I'm trying to find, you know, the ultimate under eye sort of cream. So I do like the fact that you can try these. And then obviously if they work their magic, you can go ahead and buy the bigger one. So this is just a clear cream like this. It's quite a thin consistency. Lovely smell. Oh, I think it smells citrusy. I'm not quite sure, but it does smell absolutely gorgeous, and it rubs in instantly, no problem. So I look forward to trying that. Next we have, this is by Wen. This is a rose and coconut exfoliating scrub mask for radiant smooth skin. So, nice box. I like this a lot. It's so cute. I love these little jars. I'm actually going to clean these out and keep them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I am going to keep them. So there is a smell of rose there. I wouldn't say it's particularly heavy. It doesn't actually, in my opinion, smell artificial at all. Can't actually say I can smell much coconut. I thought the coconut would have overpowered the rose smell. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it comes like this. So I mean, 15ml, there's at least 3-4 scrubs there. And as I did with the Burberry, anything that I feel like is really good, I would just reorder it again, which is something you can actually do. You can reorder things if you like them, I guess. So I look forward to giving that a go. What do we have next? Now we have this Borean CC cream. I did a video on this. I'm stupid because I bought the big size before I ordered this. So I should have ordered this and just used this as the try on, but never mind, I will use it. This is Korean. Basically this comes out as like a white formula. You pop a bit on your skin. Comes out nice and white. You rub a bit in. There's not much colour there, but it just kind of blurs stuff out to make your skin tone look even. So I don't know if you can kind of see that. I can see like that's definitely blurred down my veins and stuff. So yes, I have this, but quite handy to have if I'm going away overnight or something, rather than taking a big tube with me. Last item is a face cream. This is by Caudalie. I think that's how you pronounce it. Basically it is just a firming cream. So again, nice size product. I think this is 15ml as well. Let's just check. Yes, it is 15ml. So nice little jar that I will keep. And it's got I wouldn't say it's like a set. It smells like, I smelled this before as well. It's nice though, it smells nice. So I look forward to trying that as well. Give that a go. Okie dokie, my lovely. So that is the 5 items that I chose this month. I do like Feel Unique. There is plenty of selection there. I wish it was a little bit more makeup heavy. That is the competition, I feel, between latest and beauty boxes. There is plenty of makeup choices as well as skincare, hair care, etc. With this, you're paying the same price, and these are just like sample sizes, so up to you really. I don't know, I just feel like the other one is a little bit better value than the Feel Unique beauty bag. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up, leave your comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.